Player 456. He wants to see you.
I have a proposition for you. It's about your future and the baby's too.
About our futures. Did we ever really stand a chance?
As you've probably guessed, the other players have formed a team and will target you and the baby in the next game. Take this knife back to your quarters and kill them. Kill anyone who wants to kill you or harm the baby.
Player 456. Do you still have faith in people?
Mister, don't do it. That isn't you. You're a good person at heart.